Hello, I'm going to show you how we can insert a radio station from Shoutcast into ZoomSounds. So the first thing might be that the type must be mp3, and let's say we want to import this station. We are asked of different formats, but the correct one is m3u that we can use, and we can just save it. You might be prompted that it's unsafe, but it should be safe, and we can just import it in a file. And what you see here is a link to the station. We can just copy it and let's say we want to add it to ZoomSounds. We add the player and we add the song here. We named the type to Shoutcast, and you have a button here for stream type. We can update, and now if we refresh it, we should see the radio station here.